Hello guys, good evening. So now I want to teach you one of the simplest ways to draft a color. Now this is my students' work, so I'm trying to teach them as well. And then I deem it fit to also make the video to share with you guys on my YouTube platform. So if you like what you are watching, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So the first thing you need to know is that you must have sewn the collar all around, and when you have joined the shoulder and then join the sleeve, and then you want to now do the collar, now you must have known your customer's measurements, of course, before you start drafting. So you have to measure from the tip here. Now before the measurement, collar has collar base and collar fall. So the collar base is the one that will be at the base here, while the collar fall is the one that will folded downward, right? So measure from the tip here, round the neckline, from the tip there, around the neckline, go all through this way, go all through this way, measure the neckline round until you get to the very tip or to the very end. So this is 19 inches. Now the calculation states that if you have a client's measurement, that the collar base should be 2 inches bigger than the main customer's measurement. For example, if your customer's measurement is 10, the wideness of this should be 12. Why is it so? Because of the button allowance inch that will lap. So now my customer's neck is 17 plus 2 is 19. So you can still recheck by remeasuring again. So from the tip here, you measure all along. So that gave me 9.5. That's 19. Now the collar base will be 19. That's 2 inches bigger than the main neckline, while the collar fall will be the exact value of the customer's neckline. So we have gotten that. Now you bring your collar gum. So this is our collar gum this way. So your collar gum will place in a way that you have to, flatten it. Then bring your pen and bring your pattern master. So you make sure you get a perfect base by simply placing the pattern master in this form, and then mark out your baseline. Mark out your baseline all through this way. So right here, the collar base is 1 inch. The collar base is 1 inch, must be 1 inch. The collar base is 1 inch, must be 1 inch. And then you connect from here. Then you now apply the 19, which is 9.5. Somewhere right there. 19. 9.5, and you have it to end somewhere here. Then you now apply the main neck circumference, which is 17. So divided by 2 is 8.5. So it's either you measure from here 8.5 or mark the customer's neckline, or you mark 1 inch from here backwards. It's still the same thing, right? So here is 17. Then you mark. This is the collar fall measurement. Now for the collar fall base, the width at the back here is 2 inches, and right here is 2.5. Now there are different types of collar. So but for perfect explanation, I will just curve it a bit in this way, a bit in this way, and this one must also be curved from the tip here. Curve it to the back area, just like this, and then here you come up by 1/4 inch, and then mark 3.5 or 4 inches in this way, and curve the 1/4 inch you have marked to the 4 or 3.5 inch here. So the essence of this is to make sure that your client's neckline is properly relaxed without squeeze. And then with your freehand sketch, make a curve that goes all through this way and then connect back to this very point. So this is how you draft a simple collar for your conformer measurement, right? So if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So I will cut this out, and then you can now proceed, because I made previous video on how to fix collar on our senator shirt. So some persons were asking me how do they cut the collar. So this video is a perfect explanation on how to cut the collar. So this is the perfect video for it, on how to cut the collar. So this is it. So when you now cut out this in this form, when you now cut out this in this form, so this is what you will be having. Then don't forget as well that you will cut out the baseline. So cut out the baseline, so it goes all through to this very point, and then you maintain your curve from here as well. Maintain your curve all through to these points. So this is your collar base, and this is your collar fall. So I'll also show you guys how to gum it as well. So to get the perfect placement, just fold the fabric into two in this way, and then you iron out the possible rumples. Iron out the possible rumples in this form, and this is what you have. And then you take the collar base, lap it like half an inch or 1 inch away from here. You iron. You iron properly, and then also place the collar fall, so which I will show you the gap which you place them. So place the collar fall to be the 1 inch above here, right? Something of that nature. So you make sure that space is round everything, and then you gum all of this. So when you now gum, you can now follow the pattern which I showed you guys on how to fix a collar on your senator shirt, which I will drop the link in the comment section of this video. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye for now.